Google Chrome is packed with hidden features that can make your browsing faster, safer, and more productive, but most users never discover them. In this video, we'll explore some lesser-known Chrome tricks that can truly enhance your online experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. One hidden feature is tab search, which lets you quickly find any open tab by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus A or CMD plus Shift plus A on Mac. This is perfect if you often work with dozens of tabs open and struggle to locate the one you need. Another overlooked feature is Chrome's built-in screenshot tool, which allows you to capture an entire web page or just a selected portion without installing any extensions. Simply access it through the browser menu or use the shortcut keys for instant screen captures. Chrome also has some powerful privacy and security tools hidden under the settings. Enabling enhanced safe browsing protects you in real time against dangerous websites, phishing, and malware. You can also control cookies, block trackers, and manage site permissions to keep your data safer. Another cool hidden feature is tab groups and tab grouping shortcuts, which help you organize your open tabs by topic, collapse them to reduce clutter, or save groups for later use. For productivity, don't overlook Chrome's experimental features in Chrome /flags. Here, you can enable options like smooth scrolling, hover cards for tabs, or even faster page preloading. These tweaks are hidden from most users, but can significantly improve your browsing experience. Chrome also allows you to quickly access recently closed tabs with Ctrl plus Shift plus T, manage bookmarks efficiently, and even sync all your settings and extensions across devices. In conclusion, Chrome has many hidden features that can save you time, improve your workflow, and protect your online activity. By using tab search, screenshots, privacy tools, tab groups, and experimental flags, you can make the most out of your browser. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more browser hacks and tech tutorials.